Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my pet peeves with unicorn poop. And I'm with Nicole. I'm going to record it on you. Like I can turn the camera around. She's going to be my camera girl for the whole entire day, so you can turn it around and I can do weird stuff. You know my face. Shall we go sit down in my reading corner? First of all, we need to get all the stuff out of the way of my vanity. So when they poke it too much. When it's not even stretchy. No hard slime, basically. So happy. Sticky slime. We watch it as we go. You can make some noise. Okay. That's all you have to say. That's all you have to say for the video, okay? You can talk more. She's random. This is my vanity. How do you like it, guys? How do you like it? We probably like it, but it's a bit crammed. Ouch! It might be a little bit messy, girl, but it's way better than your room. Girl, this is my spare room in my my hotel I have. So I have a big house. I have 2 different rooms I can have. This is my room at the house, but I have more rooms, which I don't want to go in here because I'm recording a new phone. And I'm not allowed to go in the other room because her mom is currently looking after me. And she has like 2 phones. So. And this is the other one. It's charging right now. Oh my god, what percent is it on? It's on 6%. Oh my god, it's so stupid. Yeah, this is her phone and the one we're recording on is her phone too. It's my phone, what are you talking about? Yeah, no, I said her phone. I'm rich. I'm currently rich because no, I'm not. Everything I said in this video, this is actually not my house. Sorry, guys. Like we can one time, if you want us to, we can do haunted ghost catching video. Cause we have these ghost catcher apps, so yeah. But it's actually fake, but who cares? You don't care if it's a clickbait Christmas. Yeah. It's a clickbait Christmas. And shout out to Ryan Adams because I remember when I put in my description, I am giving out random famous YouTuber things, just like Ryan Adams. And when we've done a ghost catcher, when I went to her house, we did a ghost catcher, and we found this ghost, and then today we just did one, and it was the same ghost. So we really yeah. Should we go downstairs? Because I think that's a more quieter room. Should we do it in the diner? Okay, come on then. Come on, let's go down. Come on, guys. And currently she has 2 lounge, 2 kitchen, and 2 dining rooms, and 2 mum and dad's bedrooms, and 2 her bedrooms. 2 of everything she has, really. And there's my magical bookshelf. That's where the other house is. And no, that is normal paper.
is that?
That's a tattoo. That's a tattoo. Oh my god, when they play with it too much. What about when they're too aggressive? When they poke it with one finger, like, let me just get like it's actual slime. God. Stop breaking, you stupid slime.
Yeah, she literally had 2 slimes, she would.
I have 16 slimes. What are you talking about?
Gee, sorry.
What
When is the end of the video?
What?
When is the end of the video?
How long has it been? It's only been 5 minutes. Who does that to a video? Like, God. Do you wish this video was way longer than that? Yeah, because I
No,
do.
it's been 6 minutes.
Doesn't matter. When it...
That's the time.
Time is breaking up.
Can we just end it now?
No! God, Jesus wants me to edit the video as quick as I want. When it's hard slime, oh. When I put it in the container, that is the worst farting slime I've ever heard. It's good, I've never even got come on. Let's go. You got my picture. You can't sit down, camera girl. It's not like you're not welcome to my house. No, you have to record, like, shake the camera a little bit. You have to tell me what time it is. What time is it? How long has it been? 7 minutes.
When it gets to 10 minutes, and we can do it.
No. I'm doing it for 7... You know, I've been a video for 33 minutes. Should we do this for 44 minutes?
9. No. We'll do it for 9 minutes.
No. What time is it now? No, we'll do it for 11 minutes.
Fine.
Or 12 minutes.
No, 11 minutes in that case.
Does anyone guys see the bubble?
Let's see the bubble there.
Let's play with slime. This is not going to be slime, but this is just going to be slime.
That was a kettle. Been for 8 minutes now.
Look, do you guys see the middle?
Yeah. She's just like messing around with slime. She's been in her bedroom, the dining room, and now the kitchen.
I'm going to how clear it is, guys.
And now she's just messing with the eye.
You happy to say, Mason? Yeah.
You know what? She's actual vlogger on YouTube.
Are you a blogger?
How do you do that, like?
And just go on to like normal YouTube, and then you have that recorder thing, and you can end the video, and it says next, and you can like put like how you want it to be, like sketch or dream, and you can put music in, and yeah, that's how you do it.
Eat it. Right now, guys, she's eating it.
Oh my god, this is unicorn poo, but that was literally sour. Unicorn poo on stick, yeah. How did unicorn poo? Unicorn poo is a thing. Maybe I need not new YouTube. Is that gone pink? Pink. Is it gone blurry?
Yeah.
It's been 9 minutes. Should we do it for 28 minutes? Because that's normally how long my videos are.
No. Okay, 10 minutes now.
Hey, this is my channel, so I can do it for how long I want.
Yeah, but Lacey, remember, we can fly, not just YouTube. Can we end it now?
No, it hasn't even been 11 minutes.
And then just end it after 11 minutes, right?
No, after 12 minutes.
When 12 minutes end, you know, I'm gonna.
No, 40 minutes.
When I see 12 minutes or 11.
I said 14.
No, you didn't. 11 minutes.
I said 14. No. Stop, it's my channel, and I can do whatever I like, because it's my channel. And I can do how big.
Fine, 12 then.
16. Look at this. Ew, does it feel so horrible? Did I do with wrong finger? Hey, stop touching it. And you can do these things. Literally my container for the slime happy. That's the loudest one I've ever heard.
11 and then on 12 it's gonna end.
No, it's 14.
No.
Has been
Okay, now it's 12.
Okay, bye guys.